Set in a quiet tree-lined street on a 949 square metre block, this two-storey home is only a few hundred metres from Hornsby North Primary School. Inside, you're greeted by reverse cycle air conditioning, along with spacious living areas, from the combined lounge and dining room with rake ceilings and featuring a combustion heater, through to the rumpus room and a study. And there's plenty of room for the whole family with 4 good-sized bedrooms. Other features of this home include distant leafy views with a northerly aspect, a lock-up garage and plenty of off-street parking. All this, and you're only a short distance to Hornsby train station, Westfield Shopping Centre, cinemas, RSL Club and recently completed aquatic centre. Why not book a look by giving Eddie or Scott a call today?